but you're watching Overland in the van style way, and today is a new day and I gotta head out from this Cape Lookout State Park, and I think I'll traverse a little bit more south a little bit, and then I'm gonna start hitting the interior of Oregon for probably like a week or so, and then I'll return back to the coast. It just makes sense, like looking at highway connections, it makes sense for me to go a little bit more south, then hit highway. Actually I need Walmart to refill butane tanks or something like Walmart. I'm running out. Yeah, a few other items and I'm good to go. Stopped by to check out this Soislaw National Forest Sand Beach campground. There's actually a couple of campgrounds here, and it's in Sand Lake area. Yeah, so this is the area, Sand Lake. This is all dunes here. I was camping right here, so barely made any distance today. Alright, so let's see, these dunes, so yeah, there's 3 campgrounds. Let's see some rules here, because I know you have to put like a little flag in OHV area. I'm not sure if I have to, but I got the antenna for it, but no flag. So let's see, class 2 Jeeps, possess valid driver license. Passengers under 18, not permitted, possess valid insurance, safety, class 2 ATV sticker, operating permit, whatever the hell that is, an operating muffler, an exhaust system under blah blah, fire extinguisher, safety flag, oh, safety flag when in motion, blah. Alright, so here's the deal. I am here, let me zoom in a little bit. There is dispersed camping along here, like there's 3 campgrounds on the lake, and then there is also here one. Actually this is dispersed as well right here with a toilet. So $25 for this campground, and if I want to do dispersed right there, not right on the shore, it should be like basically in these bushes here or these bushes, just kind of away from people, and up to this northern point here where like dense bushes start. So anywhere here I can camp for $5, but I do have to go to that corner store and pick up a flag. Corner store should have flags. A little flag is on, and I gotta fill out this thing, drop $5, I'm good to go. Quick little stop at Fisherman's area. Maybe it's for me. Maybe do some clamming. think I'm gonna enjoy camping here. It's 2 o'clock. I'm just gonna scout the area right now, and yeah, I gotta walk the ferrets. Always the ferrets. Ferrets actually take quite a bit of time for me throughout the day. It's like taking care of little babies. I think each stop somewhere with them, each one at a time. Yeah, probably 2 hours a day, just kind of dealing with, you know, taking care of them. Yeah, the sand here seems okay. Well, nothing I can do. Yeah, awesome. So basically I need to find some, I guess, some place by the bushes or near the bushes or something like that. Oh yeah, I didn't even bother deflating. I'm sitting at like 40 psi right now. Well, at most for this I would probably deflate 35 hot, but I don't feel like it. Just normal 4-wheel drive, whatever, good enough. Where to camp out. I think this is high tide right now. I'm gonna double check. And how high is this tide? Is it medium high tide or the max high tide? But yeah, this I see some people in there, but I see also signs. So beyond that area, people not advised, not allowed, whatever, to drive. I could, where those ATVs are, just like, or here, just like park on near those bushes. Otherwise those bushes, they said, is up there on the hill. I don't want to be on the hill. I should be okay in this area somewhere. Maybe I should cruise some more back. Almost got stuck over there. It took me a while, and I actually deflated to 35 psi just to help out a little bit. Well, I didn't use max tracks, but you know, could have used those instead of deflating actually, because then the crappy part, I'll have to deflate, I mean inflate tomorrow. It's gonna take time. Well, I'll probably try to get to that gas station. Maybe they have air compressor, hopefully they do, because I prefer not to take out mine. It's just too much hassle. I'd rather just pay a few bucks and pump somewhere in there. Yeah, so this is gonna be my little nuke place. It's not on the beach, but that's, like the lady said, it's can't really camp on the beach. Have to find some like bushes, this line here sort of. So that's where I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna pop a beer and I don't know, like start editing a few more episodes, walk the ferrets. Yeah, it's alright. It's like here, it's in the shade, it's actually nice and cool. But I'm not gonna be getting so much solar at this point. So I think this is my last day on the beach or on the coastal area. Tomorrow I've decided I'm gonna start heading interior through some hot springs and eventually to the northeastern desert in Oregon and a few other Utah-like landscapes over there, and then come back in a week or so here to the coast. Again, it just makes sense where highways are to depart here and then come out more south. Somewhere by Florence, basically do this OHV area again, do some clamming, this and that. Well, little guy is getting spooked here by all the ATV noises, truck noises. Quite spooked. You wanna go up on the base? Come into daddy? Too much noise? He's like circling the base. He's like, he wants to jump up. Alright. Here. Maybe you don't want to walkie. Alright, go back to base. Well, I did wake him up sleeping. Maybe he's just like, whoa, too much crap for me right now. Yeah, he just pooped, so he's safe for another good 4 hours. He can just chill here on a pillow, whatever, and I'll be okay. Well, except peeing time. I'm not sure how often they pee. I didn't count that. I just know biologically, every 4 hours they need to poop. Pee is different, but I think he might have peed too. Let's grab sleeping Misha. He was sleeping. But he's straight to action right away. Misha there, I barely grabbed him. He was about to poop right there on iPad. So now he pooped in the right place, peed, and he's ready to go. I can trust you now. Oh, Mr. Cuteness. Mr. Cuteness. Yeah, I don't think Muscat is digging the whole travel thing. Like, he's okay with little walks, but generally he doesn't seem much excited. Well, he's kind of lazy. Still, I feel like he's more tired from all of this. Yeah. This guy, however, I think he's digging new experiences. Yeah? Yeah, Misha? Yeah. Here. It's a little chilly here in the shade, actually. Right where I'm sitting. In the sun, hot. But there is some kind of a cold breeze coming from over the hill. A little bit noisy here, but it's cool. Can just sit here, edit, check out some action. Seen some jeep driving on the hill there. I did feel my heaviness here, like going uphill from the beach. Not like this steep, but climbing over in that area. I felt my heaviness. I was struggling. Well, deflation could have helped a little bit, but still, no, like, I can sense compared to how my truck used to be a year ago. It's definitely heavier. Yeah, Misha, you ready for action? What's there? What's there? Alright, let's go, don't get spooked. Finally, you're digging something. Finally. Dig some more. Dig. Yeah, good boy. You're like a little doggy. Dig. Come on. Yeah. Good doggy. Totally Discovery Channel, right here, Animal Planet. This guy is so fast, like you look away, he's somewhere else. I wonder if I should put the collar on him. But it's kind of like vast open area with a few bushes, so should be okay. I think he found some rat hole or something. Garbage bottle. Yeah, okay, yeah. He's digging some rat hole, or snake, or tarantula. Decided to put a collar on the guy. Better be safe. Of course, I knew you would like this hole. Go check it out, yeah, sure. Problem is, some of this grass here will probably snatch the collar off of him at some point. Yeah, this is what I was afraid of. He went under the tree. No, don't go there. There's some deep hole, I guess, in there. It's just like whoop, and he was vanished. We're venturing far from home. Where's Misha? Misha, where are you? Oh, I heard the bell. Okay, okay, back to home. Yeah? Идем. Миша. Today this is over, this is done, so see you next episode, and hit like, subscribe and all that. Ciao. Well, I hope you liked this episode, and if you did, you can support me by hitting the like button and subscribe, and also check out my previous videos by hitting the links below or just after this video.